when I look at World Trade Center Noida and I look at the best industrial parks internationally, even though when we started with World Trade Center Noida, it was, we had planned it like any other workspace and integrated development. But over a period of time, we see that it actually matches with the same criteria that any industrial park would be like. And is that because of the being the nucleus for the mobile and the global electronic city, which is coming up in Noida? Is that largely that how you see that the advantages that you see of your planning, that it meets the benchmarks of the industrial park?
Yeah, in fact, we obviously, I'm a lot more biased on this, but we do believe our strategic planning initiatives have worked out very well. So during the initial phases of identifying a land parcel for such a large development or significant development, we were scouting around various locations within the north. So we identified this location specifically, which is actually not a city center location. This is on the urban fringe, and largely it has been identified because so going forward, it's going to be a very, very significant location, and we are seeing that happen at this time frame. One major infrastructural development that has happened since we've taken this site has been the development of a grade separated expressway, which connects two very major centers of commerce, Delhi NCR, all the way to Lucknow, which is the capital city of the state of Uttar Pradesh. That is a grade separated expressway called Yamuna Expressway, and then feeds on and plugs into the Lucknow Expressway. We are located just at near the on-ramp of the Yamuna Expressway as we start exiting Delhi NCR. We are also in close proximity to an upcoming international airport, which is pegged to be the largest airport development that will happen in India. It is also going to serve as a major logistics hub. There is a logistics corridor which is under construction called the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which passes in close proximity to the site. From a perspective of infrastructure and from a macro perspective, we are at the confluence of major corridors, transportational, logistics, as well as growth corridors. So from that perspective, we offer that advantage. Having an integrated development lying at this location only adds to its attractiveness for various businesses. So thereby, we've been able to actually make a significant impact in terms of attractiveness to businesses such as mobile and electronics.
Thank you, Anuj. You've actually summed it up very beautifully when it comes to the strategic location. That it is, when we are looking at a macro level of the location, it is bang on the growth corridor of the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, then the Yamuna Express Corridor, being a part of the National Capital Region. Most well-planned, one of the most well-planned cities is Noida, and that is where we are. And it creates a lot of opportunities, not only for the mobile industry, but IT and other related industries as well.